ooh, ay, ooh, ay, ooh, ay.
New Lake.
Don't break all my plans if you don't want a man. Don't tell that to mom so she won't understand. Miss me with that pity, you know who I am. All those first I gave you were your second chance. And now I'm gone, 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 gone. Don't hit me up in the morning, won't be here that long. Don't call me when you want me, cause I don't want you no more, yeah. No more, yeah. No more. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things.
Saw your message, hope you know I won't reply. To be honest with you, I ain't got the time. I thought we had talked and I thought we were fine. Guess you found it every message and now I ain't. I'm dead again, it's fine, mean I ain't got no time for drama. Too busy chasing wins, look like karma, karma, karma. No, I keep it real as always, no, I keep it real with you. But what you thinking, not what I've been thinking, think it through. We go way back in the day, that's the place that it should stay. Feel like ever since I blew up, X just got some shit to say. I hope that you doing fine, taking number, fall in line. Promise this the last time that you ever fall in line.
Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things.
Left home like I ain't coming back. Honestly, I'm on the taps. Except for my family and a view home wherever my girl is at. My studio look like a dream. I'm the youngest on my block. Yes, I do this for the team. Used to dream of what I got back when I would record in my bedroom. Yeah, off a USB, mic mixing songs in that garage band. Dreaming what it be like. I swear I'm done with moving slow. I'm on to better things. You know I gotta blow up. I know they know us. I got a date with destiny and I'm gon' show up. Heard she impatient, but so am I. So let's get down to business. This shit here is do or die. Yeah.
Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Where you going? I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. I'm on to better things. Rolling red carpets to your room and the night begins. Candlelight dancing on the wall and invites me in. See, I can show you places in your room you ain't never been. Just let your hair down so I know that you're feeling it. Like, move. All the light you see in me shining through. Got this room for two. Making all this fancy shit look cool. Tell me how you do that shit. She keep it real and I like. Put the feels, am I right? Got the new boost, all white. Talking all damn night about life. Faded off love. salivating your touch, and I can't get enough. Daddy, make the rent go away with commission on sale, and push a little money in the bank if you're feeling Rodale. Yeah, you could be a high class bitch, but you really don't care. You would rather hold that chain, just lay it up here. Like, ooh, all the light you see in me shining through. Pull up on you, skirt, skirt, there's room for two. Making all this fancy shit look cool. Tell me how you do that shit. Move. All the light you see in me shining through. Pull up on you, skirt, skirt, there's room for two. Making all this fancy shit look cool. Tell me how you do that shit. Yo, Russo, where the hell you been?
Called you like 3 times, man.
We saw you kill at Halloween, haven't seen you since.
Are you too good for us now?
And we get it, we know you working hard, we know you've been spent.
I mean,
but
I'll say that.
come on, come and spend an hour with us, man. Cause we miss you. Man, I'm sorry, I've been a ghost, but trust me, I'm getting close. Throwing right hooks on the roads. Yeah, it's a good feeling when you know it, so y'all can't be tripping about what I do. And they ain't came up with emojis yet for my move. 45 hours left to that paper slip, but I'ma have to dip cause it's time to. And I'm back to work in my basement. Student loans, I got payments. Like all this time that you wasted, like one more year would've changed it. No, if I don't pray for it, then I don't slave for it. And I work hard for this, so I'ma savor it. I'm out here chasing great things. Young man with to change the world before it changed me. Big mistake, we got to run now. Judge him quick, we got to run now. Label him, we got to run now. We got to run now. I don't know why it took so long. I don't know, I don't know why it took so long for me to see I had it all wrong. Hold the phone, the line's blowing up, and I should be more in time when I'm showing up. Time's the only thing valuable in life. Why? Spinning in classes I didn't even. You should understand I couldn't even write. I had L's in my fridge over to the right. They were specials at the bar over to my left. Cops on the 3rd floor, man, you know I'm stressed. God bless, I'm here on my own free. I can go be whatever I wanna be. A look close, you might see my vision. I was gaining facts, I needed to gain wisdom. Big mistake, we got to run now. We got to run now. Label him, we got to run now. We got to run now. I don't know why it took so long. I don't know why it took so long for me to see I had it all wrong. I was so afraid I would fail. You should ask me now how I feel. I was so afraid I would fail. You should ask me now how I feel. I was so afraid I would lose. You should ask me now what I'll do. I was so afraid I would lose. Now you just wait to see what I do. Big mistake, we got to run now. We got to run now. Label him, we got to run now. We got to run now. I don't know why it took so long. I don't know why it took so long for me to see I had it all wrong. Ay. I say that phone goes on D&D. Let's put on some P&D. Slip out of that dress for me. Kiss all on my neck for me. Yeah, you know what's best for me. Yeah. I ain't gotta light up. You know I'm down to try it all on my overnight shit. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. On that overnight shit. Run it, run it, oh, run it, run it, run it. Yeah, I know exactly what you want. I think I know. All this work for just a little love. But damn it, I can't lie, it feels so good. I don't shut myself down even though I should. Hush and let daddy lay the Mac down. Swear this girl was TSA, she giving me pat downs. Got my favorite record just a spinning in the background. Play some Luther, drain out all the sad sounds. Spin it till the needle break. Hey. Trust me, I don't need a break. I think I need some faith. I think I'm losing my way. Yeah, I'm still pretty faded from the first time. I'm not trying to take too much of your time. I just need a baddie for the night. One night, yeah, you could make it home before the night ends. Oh baby, like sheesh, why you gotta haunt me in my dreams? Why you gotta leave with no peace? No, there's no peace, not in these sheets. No, no, no. On that overnight shit. Run it, run it, run it, run it. Let it fly, run it, fly. On that overnight shit. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. Probably cause I know exactly what you want. I think I know. All this work for just a little love. I'm so gone. Damn it, I can't lie, it feels so good. So good. I don't shut myself down even though I should. I'm on that overnight shit.
Bye, bye. Und du siehst, wie ich gehe. Bye, bye. Und bereust jedes Spiel. Bye, bye. Und du siehst, wie ich gehe. Bye, bye. Und bereust jedes Spiel. Ich bin raus jetzt. Mach was auch immer du willst. Du bist frei jetzt. Musst keine Spiele mehr spielen. Fühlt es sich an wie auf Entzug. Seitdem du weg bist, geht's mir gut. Wie immer so 100-mal versucht. Jetzt ist es aus. Bye, bye. Und du siehst, wie ich gehe. Bye, bye. Und bereust jedes Spiel. Bye, bye. Und du siehst, wie ich gehe. Bye, bye. Und bereust jedes Spiel. Es wird Zeit jetzt, mit dich zu gehen. Ja, du weißt jetzt, ist es viel zu spät. Ich weiß, du willst noch nicht gehen, doch Baby, wollt es nicht verstehen. Ich habe es 100-mal gesehen, jetzt ist es aus. Bye, bye. Und du siehst, wie ich gehe. Bye, bye. Und bereust jedes Spiel. Bye, bye. Und du siehst, wie ich gehe. Bye, bye. Und bereust jedes Spiel. Manchmal denk ich trotzdem noch an dich. Frage mich, mit wem du gerade bist. Mit wem du mich für den Moment vergisst.